The Issues and Controversies database has links to over 700 topics from various subject areas, such as global issues, economics, politics, science and technology, education, and health. On the home page, all topics are organized by subject, but you can also view these topics alphabetically. Click on any letter to start browsing. As an example, let's look at minimum wage. Near the top of the next page, a brief issue overview appears. Click on the link View Issue Overview to read the longer version. Citation information is located at the bottom. Go back. On this page, you will see the titles of several pro-con articles. The most recent article is located at the top. Click on a title to read more information. After clicking on a title, the full article will appear first. Click and drag the scroll bar on the right to view the entire article. For quick access to specific sections of an article, click on the links that are located in the navigation box. Links such as bibliography and further resources can provide more avenues for research. The Supporters Argue and Opponents Argue boxes at the top of the introduction are only summaries of what is available in the full article. Use the links in the navigation box for more information. If you find an article that you want to use, access the Page Tools menu to see a number of items that can help you. The citation tool located here is especially useful. After clicking on the citation tool, a pop-up box will show you the MLA and Chicago styles of formatting for the article. Below the title of the article are various links. Primary sources can include government reports. Click on Media for audio and video recordings, and go to Infographics to see charts or graphs. If you have further questions about the Issues and Controversies database, please feel free to reach out to us.